Starting your online store in 2025 opens doors to endless possibilities. Are you ready to dive in? The excitement of selling products globally can be life-changing. It all begins with crafting your unique online space. Are you overwhelmed by the thought of building your own online store? Don't worry, we're here to guide you. With a structured process, you can create a store that attracts customers and drives sales effortlessly. Let's break it down step by step to ensure you're prepared for success. Starting from step 1 is crucial. The first step involves defining your product and niche. What are you passionate about selling? Choosing a product that excites you is key. Your enthusiasm will resonate with potential customers. Next, assess the market demand for your chosen product. Research online marketplaces and social media buzz. Finding a niche will help you stand out. Specializing in a targeted market can lead to greater success. Once you've defined your product, it's time to select the right e-commerce platform. This will represent your store online. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce are popular for a reason. They offer ease of use and robust features. If you're a WordPress user, consider WooCommerce for its customization options. Match the platform to your business needs. Think about payment gateway options. Offering diverse payment methods will cater to your customer preferences. Security is paramount when handling customer payments. Ensure SSL encryption to protect sensitive information. After setting up payment systems, add your products. Make them appealing with high-quality images and engaging descriptions. Organize products into clear categories for ease of navigation. A well-structured store keeps customers happy. Effective inventory management prevents overselling and disappointment. Real-time updates keep your stock accurate. Now focus on shipping. Create a strategy that balances cost and customer satisfaction for an excellent experience. Select reliable shipping carriers. Trustworthy delivery partners enhance your reputation and customer trust. Communicate clear shipping policies to your customers. Transparency fosters trust and minimizes confusion during checkout. Ready to launch your store. A final check ensures everything runs smoothly before going live. Promote your store on social media. Engaging posts can drive traffic and convert viewers into customers. SEO optimization helps your site rank in search results. Use targeted keywords to attract organic visitors. Building an email list is invaluable. Use email marketing to stay connected and drive repeat purchases. Post-launch, analyze store performance with analytics tools. Understanding your metrics is vital for ongoing success. Monitor sales trends to identify best-selling products. This insight can guide your marketing strategies effectively. A/B testing can refine your store's performance. Small tweaks can create significantly higher conversion rates. Your marketing campaigns require constant evaluation. Adjusting tactics based on performance will keep customers coming back. Exceptional customer service sets you apart. Be available on multiple channels to assist customers efficiently. A hassle-free return policy builds trust. Customers feel secure and they know returns are easy and clear. Engage with customers after their purchase. A follow-up can strengthen relationships and encourage repeat business. Starting your online store can be a rewarding adventure. Focus on optimization and customer service for lasting success.